We'll begin by connecting the back base tubes to the front base frame. Slide both back base tubes onto the rear tubes of the front base frame. Be sure they click into place. Next, we'll connect the front feet to the front base frame. Slide both front feet onto the front tubes of the front base frame. Make sure both feet click into place. Now we can connect the upper frame to the lower frame. Slide upper frame tubes into the lower frame tubes until both ends click into place. Now we can attach the fabric cover. Carefully slide the fabric cover over the frame. Attach the 2 elastic loops on the bottom of the fabric cover to the chrome steel frame. Next, we can attach the toy bar to the frame. Attach the toy bar by pressing the clips onto the frame. You can now fold the bouncer seat to desired upright position. Make sure that the frame is securely locked into the recline adjuster. You should hear an audible click. The bouncer features a 3-position recline. Simply click the backrest into your desired position until it locks securely into place. Push buckles completely through the slot that fits your child's size on each side, making sure they are secured. Place through the innermost slot to make the restraint the most taut. Place through the second slot for more space for larger babies. To fold your bouncer, first, remove the toy bar. Then, firmly pull the frame out of the recline adjuster. Lift the red recline adjustment tab up while folding the frame down flat. That's it! Your Highland Bouncer is ready to use. Safe, stylish, and designed with your little one in mind. Thanks for choosing Baby Delight.